The 2009 Dodge Avenger. The Avenger combines strength with fuel efficiency to ensure that its sporty looks do not deceive. Electronic stability control is designed to help you maintain control during inclement driving conditions. Surprisingly roomy, with the Avenger you can have the sporty-looking car you want and still get the storage space you need. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, CD changer, air conditioning, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, keyless entry, floor mats, aluminum wheels. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come take a test drive today.